The importance of digital technologies generally for the industry moving forward is huge. Whether that's at a simple scale about eliminating the use of paper and printed information on site by moving towards tablet-based information that's got live data, whether it's about the adoption of pervasive sensors within roads, within infrastructure projects, within buildings that monitor indoor air quality, that monitor environmental impact data. All of that's possible now. All of it can be at relatively low cost implemented across building projects and can give data to clients and decision makers around what improvements they may want to make, what changes they may want to make, and how they might manage building assets in the future. Like a lot of the opportunities for the construction industry as it moves forward, the skills requirement will vary. So a lot of the jobs of today will change. A lot of the skills that are required for tomorrow will involve retraining, will involve multi-skilling, will involve developing a talent base within the industry that can turn its hand to a whole range of different applications. One of the key areas is around the development of digital design information, data science, to allow you to capture information from buildings and built assets and then interpret that data to be able to make better decisions. So the challenges and barriers that exist for the implementation of digital technologies across construction are probably not different from those challenges, barriers that have existed for other industries in the past. So at the beginning it's very much the fear of the new, the fear that the robots are going to steal our jobs. I think the opportunities that exist around that though are greater, and that's about developing new skills, that's about developing new roles. So while some may change, there will always be the need for new skills and new roles, and they may tend to be higher paid, higher skilled roles, and that's worth developing within the industry. Back to the point around trying to attract new talent into the industry, it's a good thing to make sure that this industry is seen as being a high-skilled, well-paid industry with a lot of career opportunities and flexibility. A number of projects CSIC supported have been very much focused on businesses looking to adopt digital technologies, whether that's been from the use of sensor workwear on site to track health and safety issues around site. So for example, if someone has sensors within their gloves and their boots and they're climbing ladders incorrectly, the sensors will pick up that data and those individuals can then be brought back in for support training, other information to help them ensure they're carrying out those activities accurately. There's other areas where the Innovation Centre has supported projects where they're looking at developing AR and VR technology at a design stage to help clients who perhaps have physical conditions and are going to be moving into new housing solutions where they've had an impact on the design by being able to effectively immerse themselves in a virtual model of the building, the house they're going to move into, and make some design decisions at an early enough stage that will ultimately have a positive impact on their use of the space.